Hey, welcome back to our channel. My name is Syreeta, and today I will be going over the abdominal crunch exercise and specifically talking about how to avoid that common neck pain that can occur while doing the abdominal crunch. So let's go ahead and lie back. Press your feet flat into the floor. And before we even begin to lift, you want to check in with your lower back here. Press your lower back into the floor. So you're going to tilt your pelvis so that your lower back presses into the floor and keep that neutral spine. With your hands, provide some support for your head. Bring your thumbs just behind your ears at the base of your skull. Spread your fingertips wide to cover more area of your head to provide a little bit more support. And then make sure you open up your elbows out to the side. Create more space across the chest. If you can see your elbows as you gaze up at the ceiling, your elbows are too close. Okay, so open them out wide. With your lower back still pressed into the floor, you want to take a deep breath in and then exhale as you crunch, squeezing your abs to lift yourself up off the floor. So lowering back down. So let's check back in with that move starting over again. So notice the breath in before we move, and then exhale as we lift. Squeezing the abdominal wall nice and tight to peel your shoulder blades up off the floor. Inhale back down, exhale lift. You want to control the lift and also control the lowering phase here. What you want to avoid doing is using momentum to pull yourself up off the floor. One, that's not allowing the abs to do all the work, and you're reducing the amount of results you're going to get for strengthening the abdominal wall. And two, that's going to increase your risk of pulling and straining on the neck with that swinging motion that you're doing. So nice and controlled. Inhale down, exhale up. Shoulder blades lift. And what you actually want to do too is keep your head hovering a few inches above the floor as you move through this exercise. So you don't want to lay all the way back down. Shoulder blades come up, lower back down. Also too, checking in with your neck and chin. There should be a little space between your neck and your chin. So imagine a golf ball or maybe a ping pong size ball between your chin and your neck, and you're creating that length in the back of the neck. So your spine is long here. So you don't want to tilt your chin too high. That's way too much space, and you're crunching up the space in your neck, in the back of your neck here. So yes, tuck your chin forward towards your neck, but enough space for that golf ball to fit there. Support your head with your hands. Squeeze and lift. So using your abdominal wall to lift your entire upper back and your arms is one unit. Keeping strong tension in the arms as well so that you are bracing your head. You're not pulling up with your arms, so then you're just pulling your head up and flexing at the neck. You're just bracing your arms, keeping them nice and tight, and your abdominal wall is lifting your shoulder blades, and your arms come up as one single unit, one fluid movement. You want to continue this until you feel fatigue, and then you lie back down and rest before repeating another set. Yes, it's going to start burning, but you want to work through that burn and resting when you feel fatigue. So if you feel comfortable enough that you don't need the support for your head, you can bring your arms to cross your chest and bring your elbows out to the side. So just keeping that space in mind in the chin and neck and that length in the back. You can keep your crunch right here if you're nice and strong and confident in that support for your head and neck. Inhale down, exhale up. And you can even extend the arms out in front, turn the palms up or down, whichever you prefer. And that is your abdominal crunch.